Hello everyone, welcome in Advait Education channel. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.1, chapter number 1, integers. Question number 6. In previous video we have solved question number 1 to 5. Now see question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moved 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards west is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integers will you represent her final position from A? अभी देखो रीता जो है वो 20 किलोमीटर्स ईस्ट को गई है फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी तक. सी दिस इज योर पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी तक वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. दिस इज द सॉरी ईस्ट. वो कौन सी डायरेक्शन में गई है? ईस्ट डायरेक्शन कम्स ऑन राइट हैंड साइड. यहाँ पर है ईस्ट. हियर इज योर पॉइंट बी. फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी on east direction she goes 20 kilometer. This distance is 20 kilometer. From point B she moved 30 kilometer towards west from point B. Now west direction is on left hand side. Here is the west. She traveled from B to west 30 kilometer distance. 30. This total is 30 kilometer distance and this is 20 kilometer distance. If the distance towards east represented by a positive integer, ईस्ट का जो डिस्टेंस है वो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर से, देन हाउ विल यू रिप्रेजेंट द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल टुवर्ड्स द वेस्ट? तो वेस्ट को उसने कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया है? बाय विच इंटीजर यू विल रिप्रेजेंट हर फाइनल पोजीशन फ्रॉम ए. तो फाइनल पोजीशन जो है वो आपको कौन से इंटीजर्स में मिलेगी, मीन्स पॉजिटिव मिलेगी या निगेटिव मिलेगी, वो भी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए will be represented by positive integers that is plus 20 kilometer. It represented by a positive integer means plus 20 kilometer. Distance traveled towards west from point B will be represented by negative integer that is minus 30 kilometer. This is minus 30 kilometer and this is plus 20 kilometer. Final position of Rita from A. See, फाइनल पोजीशन वो कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर. फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए वो यहाँ पर पहले 20 किलोमीटर्स गई थी, मीन्स प्लस 20 अगेन शी मूव टूवर्ड द वेस्ट. यहाँ पर मूव हो गई थी और ये डिस्टेंस कैसा है? माइनस है, -30 +20 -30. प्लस 20 माइनस 30 माइनस 10 किलोमीटर। वो डिस्टेंस कितना आ गया? -10 किलोमीटर। हेंस द रिक्वायर्ड पोजीशन ऑफ रीटा will be presented by a negative number that is -10. See, first she move here plus 20, again she move west side -30, plus 20 minus 30 minus 10 kilometer. Hence the required position of Rita will be represented by a negative number, that is -10. Question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Here two squares are given. This is the first square and this is the second square. You can find out means you can check the row, column and diagonal. Diagonal means slanting. Two diagonals are there, 3 columns are there and 3 rows are there, and you can find out from these two which is the magic square. First, this square. Now row 1, this is my row 1. I am writing R1. Row 1, 5 plus -1 plus -4. 5 as it is, plus minus -1 plus -4. Now 5 -1 -4. This 5 as it is, -1 -4 -5 plus 5 -5, answer is 0. Similarly for row 2, means R, this row 2, -5 plus -2 plus 7, -5 as it is, plus -2 plus 7, -5 -2 -7 and this plus 7, plus 7 -7, answer is 0. Now row 3, means R3, third row, 0 plus 3 plus, sorry, here -3 is there, 0 plus 3 plus -3, 0 plus 3 plus -3, 0 plus 3 -3 cancel, means your answer is 0. Now see the answer of all the rows, row 1, row 2 and row 3. Answer is 0 0 0. Now check the columns. Column 1, see, column 1 means C1, 5 -5 0, 5 -5 and 0, 5 as it is, plus -5 plus 0, plus 5 -5 cancel, means answer is 0. Now column 2 means C2, -1 -2 and 3, -1 -2 and 3, यहाँ पर प्लस की साइन, -1 as it is, plus -2 plus 3, -1 -2 -3, this plus 3 as it is, plus 3 -3, answer is 0. Now column 3 means C3, -4 7 -3, -4 7 -4 7 -3, plus minus, sorry, this plus 7 plus minus minus 3. See, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 and plus 7, answer is 0. See, column 1, 2 and 3 all are 0. Now check the diagonal. First this diagonal. Diagonal means cross. 5 minus 2 minus 3. Diagonal. Diagonal D1. 5 minus 2 minus 3. See, 5 minus 2 minus 3. 5 as it is, plus minus minus 2 plus minus minus 3. 5 as it is, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Similarly, find out the diagonal 2. Diagonal 2 means D2. Minus 4 minus 2, 0. Yes. Minus 4 minus 2, 0. Minus 4 minus 2 and 0. Minus 4 plus minus minus 2 plus 0. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. See, here we find out answers of rows, column and diagonals. See, the answer of all the 3 rows is 0, 0, 0. See, 0, 0, 0. Column of C1, 0, C2, 0, C3, 0. Diagonal D1, 0. And diagonal D6, D2 minus 6. मीन्स यहाँ पर सबका आंसर 0, 0 आ गया है. सिर्फ डायगोनल D2 का आंसर हमारा क्या आ गया है, -6. इसलिए ये मैजिक स्क्वायर नहीं, क्योंकि सबका आंसर 0 आया है, सिर्फ हमारा डायगोनल D2 का आंसर 0 नहीं आया है. दैट्स वाई दिस इज नॉट अ मैजिक स्क्वायर. Here the sum of the integer of diagonal D2 is different from the others, hence it is not a magic square. Similarly, we will find out for the second square. See, row 1, 1 minus 10, 0. Row 1, 1 plus minus 10 plus 0. 1 as it is, plus minus minus 10 plus 0. 1 minus 10 plus 0, answer is -9. Row 2, minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. Minus 4 as it is, plus minus minus 3 plus minus minus 2. Minus 4 minus 3 addition होगी, -7 and this -2. -7 -2 addition होगी, 7 plus 2 9 and साइन आएगा -9. रो 3, -6 4 -7. -6 plus 4 -7. -6 -7 एडिशन होगी 13 -13 -13 plus 4 -13 plus 4 मीन्स प्लस माइनस माइनस सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी है और बिगर नंबर का साइन देना है. आंसर इज -9. नाउ चेक द कॉलम 1. 1 -4 -6. 1 -4 -6 -4 -6. 1 as it is, -4 -6 -10. 1 -10 -9. Now column 2, minus 10, minus 3, 4. Minus 10, minus 3 and 4. Minus 10, minus 3, 4. Minus 10 and minus 3, minus 13. Minus 13 plus 4. Subtraction होगी. 13 minus 4, 9. And sign is minus 9. Check the column number 3. 0, minus 2, minus 7. 0, minus 2, minus 7. 0, minus 2, minus 7. Minus 2, minus 7, minus 9. Now diagonal 1. 1, minus 3, minus 7. ऐसे क्रॉस देखना है. 1, minus 3, minus 7. 1, minus 3, minus 7. This 1 as it is. Minus 3, minus 7, minus 10. And 1 minus 10, minus 9. Diagonal D2 means this second diagonal. 0, minus 3, minus 6. 0, minus 3, minus 6. 0 as it is. Minus 3, minus 6. Minus 3, minus 6. Addition हो जाएगी. 6 plus 3, 9. And sign is minus. Now see. Answer minus 9, 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 minus 9. See, the answer of all the 3 rows and all the 3 columns and 2 diagonals. Answer is same, minus 9. Hence, this is a magic square. Here, sum of the integer column wise, row wise and diagonally is same, that is minus 9. Hence second is a magic square. See here, answers of all the rows, all the columns and diagonal is minus 9. That's why this is a magic square. Question number 8. Verify a minus into bracket minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. First question, here value of a is given 21 and value of b is given 80. What is our equation? A minus b is equal to a plus b. See, this is our left hand side. First we will check left hand side. LHS is equal to, you can put the value of a is 21 minus value of b is 18. 21 minus plus 18. 21 plus 18, 39. This is right hand side. Check that right hand side also. A plus b means 21 plus b is 18. 21 plus 18, 39. See. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Second question, A is equal to 118 and B is equal to 125. Again same equation, A minus into bracket minus B is equal to A plus B. Left hand side, A is 118 minus B is 125. 118 as it is, minus plus 125. 118 plus 125. Addition is 243. Now check the right hand side. RHS. A plus B. A is 118 plus B is 125. 118 plus 125, 243. Means here also both the sides are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Verified हो गया. Third question, A is equal to 75 and B is equal to 84. What is our equation? A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. First left hand side, value of A is 75 minus into bracket minus value of B is 84. 75 minus minus plus 84. 75 plus 84, addition is 159. Now right hand side, RHS. A is 75 plus B is 84. 75 plus 84 is also 159. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. ये prove हो गया. Now fourth question, A is equal to 28 and B is equal to 11. Our equation A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. Now first left hand side, A is 28 minus minus B is 11. 28 as it is, minus minus plus 11. 28 plus 11, 39. Now right hand side, RHS. A plus B means 28 plus 11. 28 plus 11, 39. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Thank you for watching the video.